Mega Friend! Sounds like there's a mission incoming! Let's go check it out, come on! Whoa! Today's mission is a shaky one!
Mission! Can a Lego house survive an earthquake?
Do you think a Lego house could survive an earthquake? Now, let's add a twist. We're not going to see how high or short we can build it. We're going to build it the same size, but let's build it in different ways. Let's experiment!
I'm your friend, Mega Milo.
The first build we're going to test, we're going to stack the bricks directly on top of each other. We're not going to interlock them, and we're going to see how sturdy these bricks can be.
Hey, little bro, sounds like a house you would build.
Do you think that this house is going to survive the earthquake? Here we go, Mega Friend. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, earthquake! Oh, it didn't even stand a chance! The only thing that's standing is the door.
Yeah, it's cozy.
Wow! That house definitely did not survive that earthquake. Let's quickly pause and talk about what just happened. When you stack the bricks directly on top of each other, then the bricks are more easily gonna fall over during an earthquake because they're just standing on top of each other. There's no teamwork involved. And that's not gonna work out.
I got it.
No, I
Coming
got it.
through. I got it.
Careful.
It's steady. We don't got it.
Let's go ahead and rebuild this house. Same amount of bricks, but we're gonna build it smarter. We're gonna interlock the bricks.
Yep, the old interlocking brick trick.
What that means is every place where two bricks meet and there's a gap, we'll put a brick right on top of that. So that way, they're all touching and they're all holding on to each other. That's teamwork. The new house is ready and built, and check it out. It looks like we even have a nice little lady who wants to buy the house. She's got confidence that this one's gonna last.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she was a prior client of mine.
Let's make a new prediction, Mega Friend. Do you think that this house is gonna survive the earthquake? Here we go, Mega Friend. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, earthquake! Oh, it's shaking. Oh my goodness. Whoa, it's really shaking. But the house is standing. Oh my goodness. And look at the lady. She's still standing too. Wow, that's amazing. It looks like interlocking the bricks makes the house way mega strong. Final verdict, Mega Friend. Bricks stacked one on top of the other, they're not very strong. But when you interlock the bricks, they're mega strong.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
Good job, guys.
Hey, Mega Friend, next time that you're out and about with your family, take a look around. You just might see some buildings that are built from brick. And you're gonna see that those bricks, they are interlocked as well. Just like how we saw in this mega build.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished, Mega Friend. Great job. We just learned about what real life engineers do to build buildings, but we did it with bricks. That's fantastic.
All in a day's work.
Mega Friend, watch out. More Mega Milo missions incoming.
Follow me everywhere.
Click subscribe and follow me on social media so you can come with me on my next mega adventure.
Mega cool, mega fun, mega show. Follow me, I'm your friend, Mega Milo.